Today, we're diving into a topic that so many of us struggle with, gut health. If you've ever felt bloated, sluggish, or just out of balance, then you need to watch this video. Trust me, by the end, you'll discover 7 game-changing ways to improve your gut health. And if you're looking for that one natural trick that you can use right at home, keep watching. I've got something really special for you, a rare multipotent herb that can work wonders. I'll share all the details on how to use it with just one scoop. But first, let's get into the 7 tips. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi are packed with good bacteria that can balance your gut microbiome. These probiotics can aid digestion and reduce that uncomfortable bloating. But if you're looking for something even more powerful, check out the link in the description to see how this rare multipotent herb can work alongside these foods for maximum results. Fiber is your gut's best friend. Foods like whole grains, fruits, and veggies help to keep things moving smoothly and feed the beneficial bacteria in your gut. But here's the thing, adding just 1 scoop of this herb can make your fiber intake twice as effective. I've left a link in the description for those who want to learn more about how to use it at home. Water is key to digestion. It helps break down food and allows nutrients to be absorbed more efficiently. Hydrate well and see the changes it can bring to your overall health. Intermittent fasting gives your gut time to rest and heal, allowing the good bacteria to flourish. It can be a total game changer. And if you want to make it even more effective, that herb I mentioned earlier can be a great addition to your routine. Stress can really mess with your gut. Practices like yoga, meditation, or even a simple walk outside can make a huge difference. And if you're looking for a natural way to support your gut during stressful times, you might want to explore the herb I talked about. Links in the description. Processed foods can disrupt the balance of your gut bacteria, leading to inflammation. Swap them out for whole foods like fresh fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins to keep your gut happy. Sleep is crucial for your body to repair itself, including your digestive system. Aim for 7 to 9 hours a night to keep your gut in top shape. So there you have it, 7 ways to boost your gut health starting today. But if you want to take your gut health to the next level with that 1 simple scoop of this rare multipotent herb, don't forget to check the link in the description. You'll get access to a short video where a senior gut doctor explains how to use it at home. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on life-changing tips like this. And let me know in the comments if you've tried any of these tips or if you're excited to try the herb. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.